Ever wondered which diet is best for you? With a myriad of choices, each promising a plethora of benefits, the decision can be quite overwhelming. Today, we delve into the diverse world of diets, comparing and contrasting some of the most popular ones based on research findings. First up, the Mediterranean diet, a heart-healthy choice that emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Olive oil, fish, and poultry are the stars here, while red meat and processed foods take a back seat. Numerous studies vouch for its benefits in improving cardiovascular health, cognitive function, and weight management. Next, we have the DASH diet. Specifically designed to combat high blood pressure, this diet focuses on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy products. It also encourages a reduction in sodium, red meat, sweets, and sugary drinks. Research shows that it can significantly lower blood pressure, sometimes even surpassing the effects of medication. To the vegetarian and vegan diets. These plant-based diets exclude meat and poultry, with vegans also excluding seafood. Vegetarians may consume dairy and eggs or just dairy, depending on their preference. Studies suggest that these diets can lower the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. However, they require careful planning to ensure adequate intake of essential nutrients. The ketogenic diet, often known as the keto diet, is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that changes the body's primary fuel source from glucose to ketones. While it can lead to short-term weight loss, the long-term safety and sustainability of this diet are still under investigation. Lastly, we have intermittent fasting, a diet periods of eating and fasting. It has been suggested to improve metabolic health, reduce inflammation, and aid in weight management. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all diet. Everyone has unique needs, health conditions, and cultural preferences. It's always recommended to consult a registered dietitian or healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. For those who wish to dive deeper into these diets, consider using Google Scholar to search for relevant studies. Use keywords like Mediterranean diet benefits, DASH diet for hypertension, or vegetarian diet and chronic disease risk. To summarize, the Mediterranean diet, DASH diet, vegetarian and vegan diets, ketogenic diet, and intermittent fasting are all distinct dietary approaches with unique benefits. However, the choice of diet should always be tailored to individual needs and circumstances. Consultation with a healthcare professional is crucial to ensure the diet chosen is both beneficial and sustainable. Remember, the journey to better health is not a sprint. It's a marathon, so take your time, do your research, and choose wisely.